everybody. How are you doing today? Welcome to Linda Toman Craft Along. I just wanted to give a couple of budget-friendly tips. Stamping. How many of you like to stamp? I was at the Dollar Tree today, and I was quite pleased to find Hampton Art stamp sets. The Dollar Tree. Baby. That's Min. He thinks he needs to be in the video too. Min, you can't be in the video, baby. You have to just stay still. Get your butt out of their faces. Get your butt out of their faces. They don't want to see your butt. They don't want to see your butt. No, they don't. Sorry about that. This one here is the B. It says, be beautiful, dream, live, laugh, love. It's got a little butterfly. Little butterflies, flower, leaf. And then it's got little pictures. And after you stamp them, they're made to be colored. So, like, you can make, like, little coloring pages for children and stuff. Little springtime coloring pages, maybe. Give them little crayons or whatever. Really good for cards. And then there's this other one. It's by Hampton Art also. They're called Color and Clear Stamps. And I don't know if they are acrylic or if they're silicone. Let's see if it tells us. I don't see anywhere on here that it tells me whether it is. But my understanding is that Tuesday Mornings carries these also. But they want more than $1. I know you think I'm talking to nobody, but I'm talking to people. They're more than $1. The Dollar Tree, they're $1. $1. So the second one has a really cute. Oh my God, it's cute. Look at that. I hope I'm not too close to the camera. Oh, baby, I like you too. See my Min, he's so lovable. Oh, Mommy loves you too. So, how cute is that with the tree and the butterfly? There's a, oh, it's a dragonfly and a flower. Do you see? And the sun. And get your butt out of my face. Would you stop? And a butterfly and another sun and a tulip. Oh, and it's got a little rainbow and a little... What is that? Oh, it's a mushroom. And the first set of words says, wish you were here. Second one says, good day, comma, sunshine, exclamation point. Real cute like. Get out of their face. And the next one is, you make me smile. These are from Hampton Art. $2 for 2 stamp sets. So $1 a piece. That's just too cool. Oh, I can't wait to do these and to color. Baby, come on. Get out of their face. Get out of their face. Would you please get out of their face? They don't want kitty faces all up in their face. And then I also got the Maymay made it Stamp of the Month stamp set. Which I don't... Hold on one second. Let me go grab that. Let me go grab that. You stay out of the camera's lens. So, those of you that don't know, Maymay Made It is a fellow, she's a YouTuber, Maymay Helms, and she has a Facebook page called Maymay Made It, and so did I. And she has a YouTube channel called Maymay Made It, and she does awesome tutorials. That's why I've learned how to do a lot of my stuff. So anyway, I'm part of her stamp club, and if you go to maymaymadeit.com, and you can join their stamp clubs. They've got one that is international, and then they've also got one that's US based. There's 2 different clubs. They both can be either international or state based. the one club is a scripture club. This one is just a stamp of the month club. And are we ready? I needed this. I needed this in my card making because sentiments are a must. It's hard to put a sentiment in a card when you don't have the stamps to do it. So they're so cool. It's like you can do the "we are here for you," "we are so happy for you," "we are so sorry for your loss," or "I am so sorry for your loss," or "so happy for you." From all of us, a birthday wish. From all of us, happy retirement. From all of us, looking forward to seeing you. From both of us, looking for grateful for your service. I am hoping your birthday is grand. We are hoping your birthday is grand. Hoping your birthday is grand from all of us. And it's so cool. $11.99 a month, and you get a full-size stamp set. And so far, this is my second one, and I am totally happy with it. I am also a scripture stamp member, which I absolutely love the scripture stamps, which I don't think I showed you this last one I got, but they're pretty awesome. So anyway, these are MaymayMadeIt.com, stamp of the month. If you're not in her stamp club, when she does her release, if you're really fast, you can probably get the stamp set. Otherwise, you'll have to wait till she's able to restock it, because usually people, as soon as they come out, people pretty much jump on them. That's why I joined the club, because I could never get anything, because it was always sold out. So anyway, Dollar Tree, $1. Dollar Tree, $1. Check out the Dollar Tree. If you're into makeup, they have e.l.f. Cosmetics, $1. Makeup brushes and stuff like that, Dollar Tree, $1. Y'all have a great day. There's your budget tip. If you have any budget tips you'd like to share with me, comment below. If you like to make cards and you like to craft and sew, crochet, all that stuff, subscribe to my channel. Converse with me in the comments and let me know. I'd like to get to know you. Look forward to creating awesome friendships. I have a Facebook page, Linda Toman Craft Along, and follow me on Instagram. I post more on Instagram than I actually do right here, right now, because I'm just learning all this. Like, I don't even know how I look right now in this camera. So, yeah, subscribe. Let's become crafting buddies. Linda Toman, or Linley37, I believe, is my Instagram name. I will double check that and then add a link in the description box below. I will put a link for Maymay's Stamp Club in the description below in case you're interested. And thank you for a special appearance from my men. Hi, baby. Okay, y'all have a wonderful day. May God bless.
And God bless. And say, and God bless. God bless everyone.
My other two babies sleeping.